Thousands of people start learning data analytics every year, but many quit because they don't know the right path. They jump from Excel, Python, SQL, and end up feeling confused. I don't want that to happen to you. Today, I'm starting this data analytics journey from absolute basics, and I want you to learn with me, step by step. Switching careers? Comment, I'm learning with Chandu Edu if you're joining. Let's build our skills together.
Before we begin, let's take a quick look at what we'll cover in today's video. We'll understand what data analytics is, its key characteristics, the importance of data analysts in companies, real-life applications of data analytics, who uses data analytics, and the essential tools used in this field. If you're new to data analytics, this video will give you a strong foundation. So, make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important concepts. Now, let's get started. So, what exactly is data analytics? In simple words, data analytics is the process of turning raw data into smart decisions. It helps us understand what the data is saying and use it to solve real business problems. The process begins by collecting data from different sources. Next, that raw data is cleaned and organized to remove errors and make it ready for analysis. Once the data is prepared, analysts identify patterns and trends hidden within it. These insights help businesses understand customer behavior, improve performance, and make informed decisions. Now let's understand the key characteristics of data analytics. These characteristics explain why data analytics has become such a powerful tool for businesses worldwide. It is data-driven, provides fact-based insights, and ensures objective and unbiased analysis. It also delivers timely and relevant information, making decision-making more effective. In addition, data analytics is scalable, action-oriented, accurate, and reliable, and continuously improves with new data. Together, these characteristics make data analytics an essential part of modern business and decision-making. Why data analysts are so important in today's companies. A data analyst helps organizations make better decisions, improve overall business performance, and understand customer behavior more effectively. They also help reduce costs and business risks by identifying opportunities and solving problems using data. Most importantly, their insights drive innovation, support business growth, and create a competitive advantage. In simple words, companies that use data analytics make faster, smarter, and more profitable decisions. Data analytics isn't limited to one industry, it's transforming almost every sector around us. From e-commerce and OTT platforms to banking, healthcare, ride-sharing, and social media, organizations use data to understand users, predict outcomes, and make smarter decisions. Whether it's recommending products, detecting fraud, improving patient care, optimizing routes, or personalizing user experiences, data analytics plays a crucial role behind the scenes. In simple words, data analytics helps every industry improve efficiency, deliver better experiences, and drive smarter business decisions. One of the biggest misconceptions is that data analytics is used only by data analysts. In reality, it's used across almost every department in an organization. From data analysts and business analysts to marketing, finance, HR, and operations teams, every role uses data to make smarter decisions and improve performance. Although their responsibilities are different, they all have one common goal: using data to drive growth, efficiency, and business value. Now we come to the most important part of data analytics, the tools you'll use throughout your journey. Every data analyst relies on a combination of tools, and each one has a unique purpose. We'll start with Excel to analyze data and create reports, then move to SQL for working with databases. After that, we'll learn Python to clean, analyze, and automate data. Next, we'll master Power BI and Tableau to build professional dashboards and transform data into meaningful visual insights. Remember, these are different tools with different capabilities, but they all have one common goal: to turn raw data into valuable insights that drive better decisions. And don't worry, we'll learn each of these tools step by step, from the basics to real-world projects. Thank you so much for watching watching this video till the end. I truly appreciate your time and support. This isn't just another video, it's a complete learning experience that I've carefully created to help you build a strong foundation in data analytics. If you found this video helpful, please take a second to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe. Your support motivates me to create more high-quality content for you. Thank you once again for being a part of this journey. Let's keep learning, keep growing, and build a better future together. I'll see you in the next lecture.